The KAKIT 3 and 4 Bow Bimini top offers generous overhead coverage with removable mesh side panels that extend the shaded area while still allowing clear visibility and airflow on the water. Its integrated sidewalls zip on and off smoothly, so you can quickly adapt the canopy for stronger sun, light rain, or open deck cruising without wrestling with loose fabric. The marine-grade polyester canvas with polyurethane and ultraviolet protective coating feels thick and durable, giving reliable protection from harsh sunlight, spray, and everyday grime. A double-walled aluminum frame with a substantial tube diameter and thoughtful anti-corrosion finish keeps the structure rigid in wind and resists pitting or rust over repeated seasons. Rear support poles replace the usual webbing straps, making the top feel more solid underway, while also folding down neatly to save space when you are trailering or storing the boat. The package arrives with hardware, straps, storage boot, and sidewalls included, so installation is straightforward and you end up with a complete, well-matched shade system rather than piecing together separate parts.